Last night, there were significant strikes in Russia, including attacks on an oil depot and the Morozovsky airfield in the Rostov region. Exploding ammunition was heard. Elsewhere, apart from this key base, it was lively last night. Among other things in Kursk, reports also indicate that several UAVs hit buildings in Oryol. The Russian Ministry of Defense claimed to have shot down 75 drones. The Ukrainian drone scored nice hits on the Russian airbase Morozovsk, which led to subsequent explosions. This is additional footage of an absolutely massive secondary detonation after a successful Ukrainian drone attack overnight. Likely bombs or rockets are going up. Drones from the Ukrainian Defense Intelligence, HUR, set fire to the Atlas fuel and lubricant depot in the Rostov region, according to sources. The depot, located near Kamensk-Shakhtinsky, supplies fuel and lubricants to Russian military units in Donetsk and Luhansk regions. Atlas Military Fuel Facility is owned by Federal Agency for State Reserves. The depot dispenses fuel exclusively to the Russian army. In Morozovsky district, an emergency situation has been declared following a nighttime drone attack. Residents are advised to close their windows and stay indoors. Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance was trying to hunt down a Russian sabotage and reconnaissance group in the suburbs of Toretsk all night. However, at some point the fighters lost visual control over them. Then, a dog helped neutralize the enemy. At 5 in the morning, Mavic's camera suddenly caught some movement on the ground. It was a black and white dog. My instincts worked. Animals go where there is food and water. A warrior of the 32nd Separate Mechanized Brigade says, the Ukrainian military sent a drone to the hideout. Sharik managed to escape to a safe distance, but the Russian occupiers did not. Warriors from Ukrainian Security Service destroyed a Russian Sanctions flamethrower system in Zaporizhzhia direction. The system was equipped with full ammunition and ready to strike. Not anymore. Stress relief content. Russian journalist discusses Russian airborne forces day and receives a special guest. What could go wrong? This is an old video, but I still thought I'd share it with you.
Ну, действительно, отвечая на ваш вопрос, сразу скажу, никто, кроме них, так не отмечает свой праздник. Ну, действительно, они это элитные войска, ВДВ, их не зря так называют. Первые в воздухе, первые...
Блядь.
Помолчите, пожалуйста. Первые в воздухе, первые...
Ты будешь со мной, блядь, так разговаривать, блядь,
Извините.
сейчас без получишь.
А у нас какие-то проблемы, мы вернемся к нашему корреспонденту Никите Развожаеву, будем надеяться, что с ним все хорошо.
And you know it's war, but boys will be boys.
Лосящий эксклюзив для русских.
A Zala drone was intercepted and shot down by a Ukrainian Interceptor drone, as shown from the perspective of the Russian UAV. I can't get to Jurmala. I have a wonderful apartment there, which is a 5-minute walk from the sea. Russian singer Larisa Dolina complained about the sanctions and called the ban on her entry to Ukraine and Latvia sad. She was sanctioned for her support of the war and Putin. There are still some people in the West who think Russian culture is separate from Russian genocidal politics. Well, it's not.
Я знаю, что для вас очень тяжело, то, что вас внесли в санкционные списки, что вы не можете въехать теперь в Украину.
Да, я в Одессу не могу попасть, и не знаю, когда попаду. Не могу попасть в Латвию, в Юрмалу. У меня там чудненькая такая квартирка, которая находится в 5 минутах ходьбы от моря. Это очень печально. Вот. А про остальные страны как-то... Ну, Канада меня еще внесла. Ну, и не была я там, и не буду, господи. Ну, один раз ездил туда на гастроли. Но не больно-то и хотелось.
Ну, вот сейчас-то понятно, почему внесли. А в 2018 году почему?
Потому что Крым. Я поддержала Владимира Владимировича, поддержала всю страну, потому что Крым действительно наш.
And for the end, at least 24 individuals, including senior intelligence officers, military officials, and staff workers at the IRGC guest house near the capital of Tehran, have been arrested by Iranian security services over the last few days, as Iran still believes that members of the Mossad assassination team who conducted Wednesday's bombing, which killed the chief political leader of Hamas, Ismail Haniyeh, are still in the country.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.